To fix a Whirlpool refrigerator that's not dispensing water, several issues may be the cause. These include an activated control lock, a kinked water supply line, or low water pressure. To address these problems, start by deactivating the control lock. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds, and the refrigerator's display screen will indicate when the dispenser is unlocked. If this doesn't resolve the issue, check the water supply line for any kinks and straighten it to ensure a smooth water flow. It's also essential to ensure the refrigerator isn't pushed too far against the wall, which can cause the water line to become kinked. Additionally, verify that the water pressure is within the correct range, between 30 and 120 psi, or 207 to 827 kilopascals. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Whirlpool refrigerator and restore the water dispensing function.